ways to make money from cybersecurity. Now let's start learning how much money can you make in cybersecurity. Your earnings will depend on your skills, experience, and the specific industry you work in. Cybersecurity specialists are in high demand, and this is expected to continue for the foreseeable future. Here are a few tips on how to get started in cybersecurity. Number 1. Security auditing. Security auditing is one of the most important ways to make money from cybersecurity. Security auditors are responsible for assessing the security of systems and identifying vulnerabilities. Number 2. Freelance writing. One of the ways that you can make money from cybersecurity is by freelance writing. There are a number of websites and online magazines that accept articles on cybersecurity topics. Number 3. Buy cybersecurity stocks. These companies are usually involved in developing new technologies to protect against cyber threats. Another way to make money from cybersecurity is to invest in companies that are working on developing new technologies to protect against cyber threats. You should also look at the company's track record in terms of developing and commercializing new technologies. Number 4. Create training courses. One way to make money from cybersecurity is to create training courses. There is a lot of demand for cybersecurity training, as businesses and individuals seek to protect themselves from cyber threats. Number 5. Individual coaching. You can make money from cybersecurity by becoming an individual coach. Number 6. Create a startup. Starting a cybersecurity startup is one of the best ways to make money from cybersecurity. Number 7. Build an application. There are a number of different companies that offer app development tools and resources. This can help businesses and individuals learn about various security risks and how to protect themselves from them. Number 8. Become a speaker. One way to make money from cybersecurity is to become a speaker. You can also get paid to write articles or blog posts about cybersecurity topics. Conclusion. With the right skills and knowledge, you can help protect organizations from attacks and earn a handsome salary in the process. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.